How to make all photos same length in CapCut. So all you have to do is to proceed here to your CapCut immediately and tap on new project. Now all you have to do is to choose the photos that you want to edit. So let's say these three photos here, as you can see, one photo, two photos, and three photos. Now if you add that, they will automatically have the same length. Now if you want to adjust it here, as you can see, if you want to adjust it, for example, you can actually set it to 2 seconds. There is no option that you can make all photos same length at once. So that would mean that you have to individually edit them here to your mobile. Or you do not have that specific feature here if you use your mobile. So you really have to edit individually all the photos for them to have the same length in CapCut, and as you can see they all are now set on 2 seconds. And basically that is the only way that you can make all photos same length in CapCut, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.